y'all, listen to me. Hear me what I say. Before we get started here, let me say this. This is not a messy video, okay? We not gonna be here being messy. This is an informational video. We're just clearing some things up, putting some things in front of your face to allow you to make your own assessment, okay? Okay, I know that I came on real heavy today. I know I came on real heavy today, so I just had to let y'all know that it's still light, right, and tight. We blessed, but not in no mess, okay? Because you can't be blessed in mess, so we not. I know y'all probably like, what is happening to that? What? We just clearing some things up, like I said, putting some stuff in your face, and then y'all can take it to the place. That's it, that's all, okay? Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. This video is going to be a little bit different. I have been bombarded with requests to do this video, and I wasn't going to do it initially just because I didn't really see the purpose of it. But then I was like, yeah, I kind of do see the purpose of it, so you guys can see the difference in what these two products are. I'm going to compare two products, y'all. One that I have never used, one that I have used several times. I'm going to explain to you, y'all, this is... oh gosh. Let me just show love to my subscriber today real quick. Bam! Cousin, you are the boss. Okay, y'all. So let me just tell you the gist of this video, and then the rest of the video is just going to be two products that people are very confused about. Y'all,
this is confusing in the hair game.
And I'm like, y'all. So I think it's very important that you guys just see both products. Bam. You make your choice on what you need to do for your life. That's it. That's all. As you guys know, I have tried a few different thin part wigs. Now, that being said, there is also a product called the V-part wig that you've probably seen a lot on YouTube. I personally have never worn a V-part wig, y'all. I need y'all to know something, church. Some companies are using my content to promote V-part wigs, which I have never worn.
So you see where I'm at with it.
I ain't even worn a V-part wig. So today, I'm going to try a V-part wig and a thin part wig, and you guys just determine what it is that works better in your overall happiness and joy in life, okay? This is my first time trying a V-part wig. So whatever you saw prior to this, that wasn't a V-part wig. Okay? The only reason why I have not wore a V-part wig is because I don't want the leave out. That's literally the only reason, y'all. And I've seen plenty of videos and many YouTubers who have tried V-part wigs, and they have made some of them look really good. Well, even with that, their overall impression is it just looks better with a nice leave out. And I think that's okay if that's the direction you're going. Me, I'm on a different journey with my hair. So I just less to no leave out just works better for me. It's also why you don't see a lot of U-part wigs on my channel for that reason. I just don't like leave out. That's it. That's all, y'all. Honey, it's Chad. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get it finessed with no leave out, and I figured this would be a great way just to show you the two. I'm gonna try to get it with no leave out. I'm telling you, I'm trying to told you, I'm gonna try to work it out. So I do have a V-part wig today, and I have a thin part wig. We're just gonna vibe out with some music. Y'all already know how we do. I'm just gonna start with the V-part wig, put it on, I'll style it. My overall end game, because this is me, and this is how the only way I would wear it, is if I could do it with no leave out. So that's going to be my attempt. I'm gonna see if I can razzle dazzle it, you know. I'm actually excited to see it, to be honest, because I'm like, dang, folks think I've been wearing these since Moses and them, and I ain't worn it not one time. So I'm excited now. I'm ready to see what time it's gonna be, because see. So we're gonna start with the V-part wig. We're gonna toss it up. Then we're gonna go to the thin part wig, and we're gonna toss it up. I'm interested now. My interest has been piqued because it gives you guys the opportunity to just look and make your own decisions for your own self with your own eyes. Just look, see if it works for you, cool. Or if they both don't, cool. Or if they both do, cool. That's what I like. I like the free exchange of your own thoughts and feelings, and then you make your decisions based on that, because we are not cookie cutters, and what product works for one person may not work for the next person, and that's the way that I choose to live my life. I don't want anybody to ever feel pressured based off of a review that I've done or not done. I don't want anybody. I know y'all think I got the juice like that. I mean, I got it, but it's like stevia juice. You know what I'm saying? Not to the extent, degree of it. You know? That's what I'm saying is I want y'all to make up your own mind. Comparison videos are a great way for that to happen. Okay? Alright. Okay. Let's get it. Before I start, I'm doing the most basic install, okay, on both. I'm doing the exact same install on both wigs, even Stevens across the board. Bam, to give you an idea of how it looks when you clip it in. Just old school clip and tease and see what we get with these two wigs, okay?